Hello guys, I'm back on JDE TV or we gonna watch today EIC backbenchers exams. Yeah, EIC video. So let's do it. Yeah. The following video contains questionable language, juvenile jokes, and terrible puns. Okay, I'm okay with that.
And then you come to the last part of the college life.
Okay.
Exam time.
These two guys are very
Most
funny.
depressing part, right? And this would always happen, right? Every time you sit to write the paper, the examiner gives a question paper, you're reading the first three questions. That same geek guy goes, "Ma'am, supplement." What an asshole! This one time I was reading the question paper, this guy asked for 3 supplements. I'm like, "You bastard, how do you know so much? What the fuck are you writing? What the fuck is happening?" Then I actually found out that he was actually a South Indian, so he was just spelling his name.
We are done with pen and paper now. That this new age, man. Let's use like technology, right?
Yeah, like nobody writes with pen and paper anymore.
iPad too, seriously.
The Sikkim Nepal guy. But yeah, like cool stuff like iPads and stuff like mobile phones too.
Yeah.
Mobile phones is the only place people type anymore. Right? That's why you should give your exam. It'll be awesome. Like every mobile phone will have different rules for answering the paper. Right? Like BlackBerry guys only had half an hour to answer the paper. Because after that the battery dies out.
Android guys are smart. They just hack into the paper and do their own this thing that they want to, or just wait for a new update to come. Like
Apple guys will get the exact same paper every year. Excel will get bigger.
And Micromax guys will get the same Apple paper but in Chinese.
But let's be honest, nobody went to college to really study, right? None of us did that. It was fun. In fact, nobody even had the notes, right? None of us had the notes. We all did the same thing, which is 2 weeks before the paper. You would walk up to that one geek guy in your classroom who used to take all the notes, right? That one guy who used to come to college on time with a 6-subject notebook with 2 kinds of pens, one to highlight the important points. That guy who nobody gave a fuck about throughout the year, nobody even knew that he existed, but now this is his season. Yeah. So the actual prize scene starts giving out notes and stuff, everybody knows it. Like I knew this one geek guy in my college, okay? He used to love this girl for 3 years, could never confess it. One day when she asked for notes, on one of the pages of the site, he wrote, "I love you, Shruti," and gave it to her. So cute, right? So cute. The problem is that she xeroxed the note for so 70. But you were so stupid, we thought it's a part of the syllabus. So everybody's answer sheet had chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants. "I love you, Shruti." But here's the thing, everybody passed. Everybody passed because that is the one rule of exam life. That is the one rule of exam.
There's one thing that exams have taught us, it's the art of bullshitting. Right? No matter what the question, you can write any shit in your answer. Any shit. As long as the first line and the last line match the question. Right?
So, for example.
Okay, we'll give you an example, okay? Let's say the question is, explain the rule of demand and supply. This is your answer. The rule of demand and supply is an important rule in economics. Demand is important to supply and supply is important to demand. A clear-cut example of this is the song "Aare Pritam Pyare" from the movie Rowdy Rathore, where she explicitly says, "Pallu ke niche daba ke rakha hai, utao to hangama ho. Which means that the demand for what is dabawed under the pallu is so strong that she removes the pallu, that what is dabawed underneath will create supply chain of hangama ho. Supply is proof. Done for us.
ना मेरे को नहीं मिला कभी वाओ। हमारे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि हमें फुल मार्क्स मिल जाए। हमारी टीचर तो एक एक लाइन पढ़कर आंसर चेक करती थी, और वो तो बहाना ढूंढती थी कि एक लाइन भी ऐसा मिल जाए कि तो वो आधे नंबर काट लो इसके, और फुल मार्क्स तो भूल जाओ। 5 नंबर में सिर्फ 2 नंबर, 2.5 नंबर, 3 नंबर ऐसे ही देते थे। मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं हो। ओके, तो दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ। नेक्स्ट टाइम विल वॉच सम अदर वीडियो। तब तक के लिए प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट प्लीज़। बाय बाय।